Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is my week in review. I'm a little late. Last week I had death in the family to deal with, so I was not able to do my week in review video on the weekend or Friday or anything. So let's go over the trades that expired on the 19th. I had this NVDA put that was assigned. I had collected a premium of $208 for that. And that was assigned, so I got the shares at a strike price of $130. I also had a cash secured put on NVDY, which is the yield max of NVDA, strike price of $29, and collected $50 premium for that, and I was also assigned for that. Then there's PLTR. I had a put out on that, and I collected $57. I did a buy to close, and that cost me $18. But because I could see that these other ones are probably going to get assigned, I didn't want to risk having more cash tied up because I'm using a little bit of margin for NVDA. And so I decided to buy to close that and be safe and free up the cash. And so I ended up collecting $39, which isn't bad there. SoFi, I finally got rid of this thing. It actually expired, but the price had gone up, and I ended up just selling it for my cost later. So I got rid of SoFi. This AI covered call, I collected $10 premium there. That expired, and then I've got some new trades set up. WBD again, strike price $8.50. It's in process. I collected $6 there. And what did I do after getting assigned NVDA? I've got 100 shares. I went ahead and sold a covered call on that. The strike price of $130. That's in process, and premium collected was $76. And then I made another trade on AI for 2 contracts, strike price of $32.50. That's in process. I collected $14 on that. So overall, with my AMZ dividend and other dividends, so far this month I'm looking at $1,050.68 for premium collected. So far this just this week, the market's really turned bad, and it's bad for everybody. It's gone way down. Not sure what that is. It could have to do with the shakeup in the presidential elections and expectations there. President Biden stepped out of the race and Kamala Harris is in, so there's a lot of enthusiasm for her going forward. The U.S. economy right now, just today, is showing a strong growth and faster than expected GDP rise, and jobless claims are down, and the economy is going pretty good, so hopefully things will come back up. But like this NVDA call, I had a strike price of $130 when I made this trade. It was trading at $122, and it's gone way down to like $112. So that's just, that's awful. Things have gone way down for everybody. Hopefully it's going to go back up. Also, things like the shares I have in AMZ, I got 685 shares there. My average cost is $22.08, and it's gone down. It's trading at $20.10. You can see here it's just dropped off. And also my NVDY, which is the yield max for NVDA. My average cost there is $28.75, and it's trading at $25.56. So it's kind of ugly right now out there, and hopefully I can keep making premium on these. We'll see what happens at the end of the month when these yield max funds come out with their dividends. But with things going down so much, it's going to be hard to sell covered calls against these. So I'm not anticipating a huge dividend from the yield max stuff. And that's kind of it in a nutshell. Just quick and dirty. I wanted to get this video out because I wasn't able to get my end of the week in review out last week. I just wanted to touch base and let you know what's going on. I hope you got some value out of this video, and if you did, please hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.